Happy holidays! I'm Rebecca Colbert, Head of Collections and Bibliographic Services at the Library District, where we celebrate all the winter holidays: Hanukkah, Christmas, winter solstice, Kwanzaa, and even Festivus for the rest of us. I'm so glad you're joining me to hear a lovely holiday story all about our new library app. It was the holiday season, and all through the stores, all the shoppers were panicked and buying some more. The giblets defrosting, the cranberries sauced, but in the kitchen I sat, befuddled and lost. The turkey was basted, whatever that means. The pies were all baked and topped with whipped cream. The RSVPs had begun to come through, and suddenly dinner was $4.22. A vegan, an omnivore, a septuagenarian, 10 carnivores and 3 more vegetarians. How could I cook for this panel of guests, much less mix cocktails and play games with the rest? In desperation, I looked at my phone, and suddenly I was no longer alone. Bright shining purple in front of my eyes, the magic solution for my woes had arrived. The library app with its screen oh so bright rescued my cooking and jazzed up my night. With holiday cheer at the touch of my hand, the library app brought much joy to the land. I was free to be happy, free to be kind, free to serve dinner without losing my mind, free to find concerts, free to learn crafts, free to read books in the palm of my hand. Ready to be festive with loved ones and more? Download our app now in your favorite app store. From stress relief sound baths to holiday crafts, all I wanted to do, I could find in the app. Nick at Night concerts and popera sounds, dances and music and movies abound. Free meals for seniors and snacks with your friends. In the library app, the fun never ends. Find Christmas movies and crafting for Hanukkah. Light up menorahs and candles for Kwanzaa. Longest night parties and solstice delights. Umoja for days and book club for nights. Yolabaka flawed presents, crafternoon buffets. Open the app and stay busy for days. As you make resolutions for 2025, you are free to be happy and to certainly thrive. By joining us in person or downloading online, the convenience of the app will change your life. Happy holidays from my home to yours.